How are you, fella? Well, they're in scratch cards. How's it going, lad?
Alright, how are you?
Alright, yeah. Is there any scratch? Think about it. Is it two scratch?
Yeah.
Just scratch your one for us. There's one. How's it going?
Alright.
Good lad. You up for it?
Can't wait. Can't wait for Sunday if it's on.
Usually when it's centre on them. Well, every time I've got one anyway.
UK stores and Tesco.com/groceries. Exclusions valid at limit supply.
You need to, huh? Fuck off. Where do we go? Oh, I'm here. I go do a. What do you do?
Do it right, don't you?
The lights here. Yeah, the lights here.
Right, you've won
Look at that. What was it? 10 or something?
Well, 2 numbers add up to 10.
Yeah.
You've won 250 grand. You
Fuck off! You winding me up?
2 numbers
Read
add
it
up
properly,
to
you
10.
fucking knob.
If the 2 numbers add up to 10, win prize.
No. You read it wrong.
If the 2 numbers add up to 10, win prize. You've won 250 grand.
Yeah!
You've won the fucking jackpot.
God,
I'm lucky.
You winding me up.
8 plus 2.
Yeah, well, I've done them before. It doesn't equal 10. You have to. Doesn't it eat odd numbers? Read the back. What does it say?
In a row, if the 2 numbers add up to 10, win prize. You just won 250 grand. I am fucking lucky for you, mate.
You want half?
I'll put 1 half.
Cheers, pal.
What you doing?
It's not fucking. Yeah, whatever.
You're a dickhead, you're fucking thick.
Fuck off, I've not won. You're winding me up.
You're a wanker. Why did you done that?
It's not. It doesn't equal 10, does it? You haven't got to equal. It's odd numbers. You're trying to wind me up.
You're a dickhead, you've just tore that up.
Where do we go here now? I know you're winding me up.
You fucking, you dick. Out.
Where do we go? You've not read the back. It's got to be odd numbers. I'm sure it has.
It says there, in a row, if the 2 numbers add up to 10, win prize.
Right, and what does it equal?
8 plus 2, 9, 10.
Well, and I've won 25.
250,000 you've just won.
Fuck
And you
off.
ripped it up.
Fucking hell. Fucking stop recording now.